Hi everyone, welcome back once again to our daily job share series. So this is whatever job things I'm going to say with you. Just authenticate from your end because I don't want to be a part of any scam. I don't want you to be a part of it scam, right? So let's start with the first new. So this is the first new that we have. So this is for the application security where ESEC 40 is hiring, right? 2 to 4 years of experience is required, and it's in Bangalore and Mumbai, and position is AppSec. So there should be 30 days of notice period, which means like within 30 days you will be called out if you're going to apply. And the domain is web app testing, mobile and API testing, and VAPT, right? So if you want to join, you can drop a resume on nidhi.bakshia@esec40.com. So guys, right now as you can see, web application pen testing job requirement is very high. Right, there's a lot of opening. If you want to have a good experience, then if you want to learn, you can check out this URL viehgroup.com/TCI. Okay, so this is what you can join and you can learn a lot of things and get a job. Now next one is basically Alten is hiring. Alten is hiring for electronics, mechatronics. I don't know what exactly is this. Let me know in comment box. Uh, oh, this is for the electronic engine. This is not for us, right? But still, if someone wants, you can. Now, next one is someone is looking for IoT pen testing, ABI and network, right? IoT pen testing lead, uh, and there are a couple of things that you need to do. Lead and deliver IoT embedded devices pen testing or not. If someone interested, you can drop a resume on hr@abinetworks.com. Now, next one is security researcher Bangalore, and this is the immediate joining. So, Security Bridge is a certain company. They are the client, and the role will be you need to work on shadow map, which is a service attack mitigation (MGMT) and management. Right, 1 to 3 years of experience is required, and pen testing was top 10, vulnerability assessment, and all those knowledge is important. If you want to join, you can drop resume either to Vishnu or HR. Right, you can see here. Next one is VAPT analyst, 2.5 years experience required. Work from office, it's in Delhi, client pen testing, WhatsApp knowledge of mobile API. Again, I can repeat, you can check out this URL if you want to learn, viehgroup.com/TCI, because 2 or 3 days are left only. And there are a couple of things that you need to mention on your resume. Now, that's all for it. Thank you very much for watching our live recording. And if you want to join SOC program, you can check out this URL. If you want to learn about how to pen test a web application, you will check out this, guys. It's not like invest and you'll be happy for your whole life, otherwise you are going to. So that's what we have. Thank you, have a great day.